Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
And just a quick fun little video. We did a tire change video on this vehicle, so I needed to change the spare tire back to the regular tire and decided to see how quickly I could do it. And a minute 34 seconds, including putting the hubcap back on. Not quite ready for NASCAR, but I got the job done quick. We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free, 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.